Let me bust it like I never did. Way before the first hit, long lost still. Sailing back to when I was a kid. Reminisce all the silly things that I did. How I first got kissed. Coming back in a dream like this. Buried in the sands of time, never forgotten. Engraved in my memory in rhymes that I'm writing. In lines I'm reciting as they cover me like skin. The #1 storyteller, me and my 6th string. What you got, even though each and every memory means a lot. Poetically it flows and they always be hot. Deep in the minds of a dreamer, experienced star. Caught between the hands of fate and destiny. As I pass like a wave gently sweeps over me. Staring at the silence of the room. Beneath the moon still caught up in the threads of a life like glue. All you gotta do is hit me, ma. Ladies and gentlemen, players and feminine, I'd like to welcome y'all to the flyest ace man's women. Jinky, Bonnie and Clyde together when we rollin'. Jealous eyes on the side like, no, that ain't him. System on full blast with chrome wheels spinning. We headed down west side, it's big time sinning. Ace City, pretty mommy got me all wishing. 5'6" inches, smooth like linen. Pretty hot and tempting, and I know what she asking. No paparazzi flashing, her beauty is lasting. Versace class and a small hearted cashing. Got a skin tone to go with seasonal fashion. friends on the side like they green with envy, popping stories in the head like they seen in a movie. She's soon gonna find out it ain't a chemistry. No, it ain't gonna work out, cause he's a celebrity. But she loved the way I do it though, take it to a slow. Everybody know the kid since 2004. Ballin' ever since, who gonna do it like a roll? All I gotta do is call, then we hook up at the mall. So who gon' do what with a born as such? Plus, the kid be young and so skilled to bust. And she know it's all about trust, so much than lust. My chinky chicka mommy, who harder than us? This player almost retiring his jersey, rocking in the ground up in the party till past 3. Cuddle up in my arms, she's sweet like pastry. It ain't a wonder how she got a name like Body, the flower with things to all the ice and blings. All she gotta do is say it and I give her with wings. She an angel falling with the rest of her kind, and still the best thing about it, damn she mine. Yet ain't no wonder what we got here is magic. Matter of fact, we do attract like magnets. Ain't faking it, cause mommy know who the realest is. Memories of her gonna die hard like Bruce Willis.
kia cả ring phal to lâu chế cây bông su lệ dài cái rê lô chu lệ chùa anh sa